University, we welcome you all to our annual day function.
This year, our annual day is not just a series of performances, it is a heartfelt exploration of powerful idea. Our theme
Your presence illuminates our evening.
on the behalf of School of Scholars Amravati, I would like to extend
A warm welcome and the joy you bring to us. May this sapling brighten your day and we hope you feel at home with us.
Today, you will be seeing the children performing live. Means many of the songs are not recorded. The songs are directly sung by children from this podium, and the instruments are played by the students. Today, the school is proud to have the NABET accreditation, Guinness Book of Records, Asia Book of Records, Limca Book of Records. This year's Asian archery gold medalist, India got medal after 17 years, is our own student. More than 30% students achieved 90% and above in the board examination. And a vast majority got 80% with no compartment in our school. Yashdeep Boge, who won the gold medal, as I already told, after 17 years India got the gold that was achieved by the student of SOS Amravati. I now invite all parents to witness the rich tradition and culture of our country and state of Maharashtra, which our little ones are going to present in front of you. Our tradition must be known to our new generation. We request all the parents to understand and transfer the rich tradition of our country, our state, to our new generation.
Welcome the vibrant heartbeat of Assam, the graceful and energetic Bihu.
ওই রাতি দুপরলে ময়না কেঁচা কেঁচা পৰম তোমা জানো আচলতে যৌৱনো আচলতে কি ওই আজি দেখোন নাচনি ঐ নতুন নতুন লাগিছে নাচনৰ সাজতে অ মইনা যাম লাহি কঁকাল ভাঙিছে এৰনা চোলা পিন্ধিলে ঐ মুগাৰ ৰিহা মেৰালে ঐ চাই থাকো লাগিছে চাই থাকো লাগিছে আজি
Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam, a classical Indian dance from Tamil Nadu, is a perfect medium to convey this narrative. It beautifully combines bha, emotion, raga, ta, rhythm, and natya, meaning dance. This dance depicts the story of goddess Durga, a powerful form of Shakti who was created by a god to defeat the demon Mahishasura. तैयार हो जाओ पंजाब की मिट्टी की खुशबू ते डोल धड़कन ते ताई एनर्जी स्माइल ते फुल ऑन मस्ती भांगड़े बिना ते फंक्शन अधूरा रह जाता ready to feel the rhythm of Punjab we are about to bring some serious energy to the stage with a dance that all about fun passion and celebration bhangra
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, we're back again. Our representation. You ready? Let's go.
dance, the energy, the moves, the beats.
A village is the heart of Maharashtra, and today our students will take us into that heart with a lively and colorful scene. And the show stealer, here's the iconic character of Vasudev.
सुंदरी माझी जाते गे फिरते बहुतुकी ओव्या गाऊ कौतुके तू येरबा विठ्ठला तू येरबा विठ्ठला सुंदरी माझी जाते गे फिरते बहुतुकी ओव्या गाऊ कौतुके तू येरबा विठ्ठला तू येरबा विठ्ठला तू येरबा विठ्ठला
उजळणाल आभाळ रामाच्या पारी उजळणाल आभाळ रामाच्या पारी अन गाव जागवत आली वासुदेवाची स्वारी
Our next performance is a jewel of Maharashtrian culture, Mangala Gaur.
देवी मंगळा गौरी जय देवी मंगळा गौरी ओवाळीन सोनिया ताटी रत्नांचे दिवे माणिकांच्या वाती हिरे मोती ज्योती जय देवी मंगळा गौरी जय देवी मंगळा गौरी चंदबाई खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया गौराईचा खेळबाई आनंदात नाचू गाऊ आनंदात खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया ग मंगळा गौर खेळूया पाणी लाटा ग पाणी लाटा ग पाणी लाटा सागर लाटा ग सागर लाटा ग सागर लाटा डोंगर माथा ग डोंगर माथा ग डोंगर माथा चंदबाई खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया गौराईचा खेळबाई आनंदात नाचू गाऊ आनंदात खेळूया मंगळा गौर खेळूया ग मंगळा गौर खेळूया इंगा ग पोरी इंगा ग पोरी इंगा ग पोरी इंगा तुझ्या पिंड्यानं मला बोलवली रात जागवली पोरी इंगा अशी मी नाचू अशी मी नाचू या गावचा त्या गावचा मळी नाही आला खेळी नाही मला कशी मी नाचू कशी मी नाचू या गावचा त्या गावचा शिंपी नाही आला चोळी नाही मला कशी मी नाचू कशी मी नाचू कशी मी नाचू कशी मी नाचू
Wow, that was fantastic. The energy and expression really brought the Mangala Gaur spirit alive. And we should celebrate it with a big round of applause.
Now, I would like to call our distinguished guest, respected Shri Arjuna K.R. sir.
curiosity is the beginning of conservation. So you need to have a curious mind to work towards conservation of nature and forests. So these are the things that you can do, and you can always think and find answers for why the sparrow has disappeared from the balconies, why is the summer getting hotter than before, why the rivers are drying in February and why the water is not flowing all the year round. So these are some of the things that you can think about and do for the nature and wildlife. So I will end my speech with a question. So you can think in 2050 how Maharashtra's forest will be. Will it be more forests or fewer? Will the tigers be more or fewer? Or will we be having cleaner rivers or dirtier ones? Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Welcome to a night where talent take the stage and dreams take a flight.
A night where every heartbeat echoes with celebration. A night where School of Scholars Amravati shines brighter than ever. So dear audience, open your heart to tradition.
Open your soul to rhythm and pride.
Because tonight,
The soul will speak through dance.
give a roaring round of applause as we proudly present the Shekari dance.
Let us move to our next segment of wonderful folk tradition of Maharashtra.
Today, we will understand the culture, color, and unity of Maharashtra.
आज रात्रीचा पुढचा कार्यक्रम अत्यंत उत्साही आणि दमदार आहे. We are about to witness धनगरी राजा.
अव साजरी दिसत्यात अव गोजीरवाणी हरण पण माणूस लय उपराटा अव काळ त्याच करण त्याची भूक लय मोठी अन आई बाच्या सुखा पायी बळी जातीले कर आई बाच्या सुखा पायी बळी जातीले कर धनगराची मेंढर धनगराची मेंढर धनगराची मेंढर धनगराची मेंढर धनगराची मेंढर धनगराची मेंढर
किनारी अग मारतील कोली हाडल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी.
ए समृद्धी, हे तू कोणतं गाणं गात आहेस?
हे कोली गाणं आहे.
कोळी नृत्य ही एक अतिशय खास परंपरा आहे.
would like to call our distinguished guest, Mrs. Sumati Venugopalan Madam, Chief Academic Advisor of School of Scholars. Please, Madam.
Some things which I noticed today I would like to recount. I'm truly delighted to see the role taken by the students. I see the student council members or maybe the volunteers all around controlling the crowd or making the parents feel comfortable in their seats, and the warm welcome that was given to us showed the initiative of the students. The second I would like to point out today is the ease with which we have multiple anchors here on the mic. We have them in pairs, but they did not need any support or guidance. They know their parts. They're doing anchoring like professionals. And the third remarkable thing is, of course, our shining stars on the stage. I heard from the principal that not much of the academics was compromised during the practice sessions. So there was minimum time utilized, but you can see the wonderful performance on the stage. And there's a unique combination of color, light and sound. And to top it all, the live singer. I'm going to ask a question, but I do need an answer from you parents. If I say that today's program is education, how many of you agree with me? Is this a part of teaching learning process which you witness on stage? जो आप देख रहे थे स्टेज पे, वो पढ़ाई का पार्ट है कि नहीं है तो हाथ ऊपर उठाइए. Thank you parents. Yes, this is the best way to teach, and I assure you that when we have social gatherings or an annual day performance, there is so much of learning which cannot happen within the four walls of the room. Their children learn so much about so many skills which they absorb. They see their teachers, how they plan, how they are executing the plan, how they're being trained. There's so much of leadership skills, there's so much of initiative which they learn. While doing their performance, they realize there's so much of discipline, there is coordination. It's not I, me, mine. I have to compromise for somebody else. I need to allow others to lead. Is all little things, but which they are going to learn for life. So what you see as a program is just not for rejoicing and enjoying, but it is also to learn to appreciate and see the growth in your own children. I'm sure ये program के पहले और program के बाद आपके बच्चे बदल गए होंगे, और हर साल whether it is sports or whether it is an annual day program, they get to lead in all these roles. So thank you Arjuna sir again for bringing about the different professions which students can take on today. Changing so fast, and what we can give our students is the skills to adapt to that change. So thank you for being here, for encouraging not only your students, but your presence here is a big motivation for the school fraternity, which I mean the teachers, the principal and the entire staff, because this is one event where we come together. So for a child, the school is important, but the parents are also equally important, and together let us make a big difference in the lives of our children. Thank you for the opportunity to share my views here, and all the best and well done already to all the teachers and the students, and all the best for the school to grow to greater heights, and all the best to parents and your families for the wonderful new year which is going to come. I know we are a month away, but wishing the best in all your lives too. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your appraisal really meant a lot for all of us. And we assure you that we will always try to make you feel proud. Your words were not just a speech, but a motivation for all of us. Thank you.
मंडळी, आता येतोय असा परफॉर्मन्स ज्याची ओळख द्यावीच लागत नाही. द वन अँड ओनली लावणी.
So hold your breath and get ready to be mesmerized with a loud round of applause presenting the spectacular and dynamic Lavani performance.
निर्माण केलेल्या पवित्र वातावरणानंतर आता आपण एका जिवंत आणि भावपूर्ण परंपरेचा वेध घेऊ. जोगवा.
जोगवा मागणं म्हणजे समर्पण आणि गोंधळ म्हणजे देवीचं आवाहन. Every beat becomes a prayer. Every gesture becomes a connection to the divine.
जोगवा, अंबाबाईचा जोगवा.
जोगवा
अभ्युत्थानाम अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे. जेव्हा जेव्हा धर्मावर ग्लानी येईल, जेव्हा जेव्हा अधर्म वाढेल, तेव्हा तेव्हा सज्जनांच्या रक्षणासाठी, दुष्टांच्या संहारासाठी, धर्माची स्थापना करण्यासाठी मी युगानयुगे जन्म घेईन. अशीच काहीशी परिस्थिती जेव्हा या महाराष्ट्रात निर्माण झाली, 1-2 वर्ष 350 वर्ष हा महाराष्ट्र अंधारात होता. आणि हाच अंधकार दूर करण्यासाठी एका युगपुरुषाने जन्म घेतला.
शिवाजीचा सुलभा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा चंद्र जसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्रजिचा होता चंद्र जसा हा इंद्र शोभतो पुत्रजिचा होता सुलभा पाळणा पाळणा बाळ शिवाजीचा सुलभा पाळणा पाळणा
From the wisdom of our saints to the courage of our warriors, today's program has brought alive the pride, spirit and the soul of Maharashtra.
First and foremost, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our esteemed guest, Shri Arjuna K.R. Sir, for encouraging us and inspiring the students with his gracious presence. Thank you, sir. I now take this opportunity to thank the Chief Academic Advisor, Mrs. Sumati Venugopalan ma'am, to have been so generous in joining us for today's function. Ma'am's continuous guidance and support have helped us achieve academic excellence and stand at par with our values, our vision and our mission. Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance and your blessings. It's my honor to thank our guide and mentor, Mrs. Pratima Nene ma'am, whose academic excellence has facilitated us in achieving academic goals and excellence. We are all, and because of you, thank you for bearing with us, our scoldings and everything which we